So today's question is next permutation. We are given an array with array elements 1, 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Next array output will be the next permutation will be 1, 2, 4, 3, 5, and 6. So let's start with the approach. So we will start a for loop from the end of the array. We will check if the last element or the element before is smaller than the element at I or not. For example, here 4 is smaller than 5. So we will not do anything, skip it and move to next. So here 5 is smaller than 6, hence we will not do anything. Again, we will move the pointer to the next, and here we see 6 is greater than 3, so we will break the loop here and store the index in a variable. Suppose the variable name is k. After that we will again start the for loop, and we will check if there is any element that is greater than k. Here is the pseudocode, and then we will store it in a variable l. Right. After storing, we will swap the numbers from k, we will kth element and the lth element. After swapping, that is third and 3 and 4, we will swap their places. Swapping, it looks like this: 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, and 3. After that, we will reverse from the index +1 till the end of the array. That is from sixth element to third element to 3. After reversing, we can see that here it will be 4, 3, 5, and here we will get 6, and which is our solution. One more base case is that another case is that here from 3 to 1 we will start a loop. We can check that we are unable to find any element that is smaller, uh, the before element which is smaller. So the next permutation of this will be the reverse of the number, that is 1, 2, and 3. So in that case we will just reverse it and we will find the answer. So let's begin with the code. So the code is, first let us store the array length in a variable n, and we don't need to store actually if there is already given in capital N format. So first we will take a variable n minus 1. Then we will start a for loop from the end of the array. We will check, as I have discussed, the array if array element if the before element is greater than or not. Then we will store its index and break so that no further iterations occur. And if the k remains n minus 1, that is in the second case we will not find any element before it as a smaller, we will reverse the entire array. So in else condition, we will take a variable L and again start a for loop from the end of the array, and we will find an element that is greater than uh, k. In this case, it is 3, and we will find it in the first place, that is the fourth element, and we will store its index and break so no further iteration occurs. Then we will swap the kth element and the nth element. After that, we will increase the index That is k plus 1 from uh, 6 to 3, that is from 6 to 3. We will reverse the entire array, and here we are storing the result in the form of list, and then we will return. Here is the reverse in an array code, and this is the swap code. We will check whether it is running or not. The compilation is good, so let us try to submit the code. As you can see, it is successfully submitted. So here our execution ends.